How to set a fixed price for the products bundle in WooCommerce. Navigate to WooCommerce products, and click on Add New to create a new product. Set a name for the product bundle, for instance, Clothes Bundle. And select an image for your product bundle. Now navigate to the Product Data panel, and select Product Bundle as the product type. After selecting Product Bundle as the product type, the Product Bundles tab will appear in the Product Data panel. Navigate to the Product Bundles tab, and click on the Add Bundle button to add a new bundle item. In Item 1, in the Products field search for a product and select it. If you want to add other bundle items, you can click on the Add Bundle button to add another bundle item. In this video tutorial, we will create another item as in the previous step. To set a fixed price for the whole bundle product, check the Fixed Price option. Now navigate to the General tab, and set a regular price for the product. You can set a sale price too. After setting a price, publish the product. Now click on Permalink to see Product Bundle page. On the Product Bundle page, you can see the Set Fixed Price under the product bundle name. Select Products for items. Now you can see that the fixed price is set as the total price of the product. Also, you can see the fixed price is applied for the whole bundle on the cart pages. Thanks for watching. Please support us by like and subscribe our channel, and check the description for more information.